How to delete a playlist from YouTube using YouTube Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist from your YouTube using YouTube Studio. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube Studio app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the YouTube Studio and you are in the main dashboard, simply tap on the content shown in the bottom of the screen. Once you are in the content section, simply tap on playlist. Here you will see all playlists associated with your channel. Find the playlist you want to delete, and once you have found it, click on the three dot menu icon next to the playlist, and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on delete. Once you have done that, a confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete it. If you are ready to say goodbye to that playlist, go ahead and confirm by clicking on delete. And that's it, your playlist is now deleted. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.